Hi guys, this is OnePlus Nord. This is unboxing for OnePlus Nord. So let's go by packing. So packing looks really comfy and good, and it's actually cute. So OnePlus Nord watch. So let's unbox it. So box is a quite comfy. So you just need to, I guess, pushing is there. Yeah, as it say, get moving. Okay, so here look at the first view of the watch. It's OnePlus Nord. So OnePlus got some pretty good design ethics, and you can say, I mean, there is a pretty good design within the OnePlus products. So in the upper packet, we got one charging cable. As you can see, there are two notch for the charging with one USB cable, one cute looking sticker as well, red label club membership card. Yeah, actually it's pretty useful, but not that much. But you will get around 100, 200, 500, maybe sometimes 1000 rupees discount as well using this red cable. So I mean, it also got some other features as well. You will get an extended warranty, then maybe some discounts, maybe some some exclusive membership card and all that. So let's keep it aside. This is user manuals, and as usually it will be useful for charging part only. So yeah, so I think there is nothing apart from this. So let's get to the actual watch. Yeah, I ordered it in a light blue color. So but yeah, I mean, I must say this is really good one. Oh, and that is a sticker one. So as you can see, oh yes. So I'll just remove it. I'll keep it here for now. This is the memory foam. Okay, and yeah, from the first view, I can say OnePlus got a really curvy design. You can say, I mean, look at the curves. I mean, yeah, I mean they are pretty bold. Button is actually good one. Yeah, it kind of pressing, and yeah, you can even handle like a like a iPhone watch as well. So there is a engraved OnePlus Nord on the sideband cover part, and yeah, here you can see OnePlus Nord. Again, there are two sensors. So I guess this band looks pretty strong, good material. So I'll come with another video of review for the watch. So keep watching, subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.